Let's learn about fruits. Fruits are delicious and healthy. They make us strong. It will be fun learning about fruits. Let's start.
Wow, basket full of cherries. My little friend here loves cherries too. Let's learn about cherries today. Cherries are small. Cherries are glossy red, fleshy and juicy from the inside. Do you know cherries taste sweet and sour? Now let's learn how do we eat cherries. First we wash the cherries with water. Wash, 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 wash. Wash, 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 wash. And then we eat the cherries. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. It is fun eating cherries. Cherries have seed. Look, little Dino has collected all the seeds in a little bowl.